Hello, in this video we'll be showing you how to search for articles on the UK Vet resource. Once you've completed the sign in process for UK Vet, you should end up on the main page like this. If you scroll down the page, you will find the editor's picks section, listing a number of articles that they deem to be useful. If you scroll further down, you will find publications, listing the last issues of the journals mentioned earlier from the Journals tab, and underneath that you'll find the most read and most cited section, highlighting the most popular articles contained within UK Vet resource. But for the following example moving forward, we'll scroll back up to the top of the page and use the advanced search option, which can be found underneath the search engine on the right side of the screen. You'll now find yourself on the following page, where you'll be asked to enter a keyword or term you wish to search for. In the Enter Search Term option, just type in dogs, and in the advanced option located at the bottom of this page, just click on that for a drop-down menu of options to appear, and from those options just click on Only Content I have full access to, and then finally click the search button. You should now find yourself on the results page like this. On the left side of the screen, you will find multiple options available that can help narrow down the search of your results. Publication date allows you to narrow down your results by the year the articles were published. So say you wanted to look for an article between 1995 to 1998, you can either drag the circle along or just type in the dates, and the results on the right side of the screen will change automatically. Collection allows you to narrow down your search by selecting a publication of interest, such as UK Vet, and once you click on that, the results on the right side of the screen will change automatically. To view and read one of these articles, for example, Dogs Are Good For Us, just click on the title of that article to be taken to the following page. You can scroll down and read the article in full text format like so. Or if you scroll back up to the top of the page, you'll notice the PDF EPUB button on the left side of the screen. Just click on that and you'll be taken to the following page where you can read that article either in a PDF or EPUB format.